Hi, welcome to your 20-minute grounding guided meditation today. Find yourself a comfortable seat. I sometimes like to rock back and forth so you can really feel your sit bones in contact with whatever chair or surface you're sitting on. If you're on the floor, sitting cross-legged, you can do the same. If you're in a chair, I suggest having your feet flat on the floor and coming up that you're not leaning back against the back of the chair, but more a little bit away from the back of the chair so that your spine is lifted very tall. And let the crown of your head feel like it's lifting up toward the sky, but make it effortless, almost as if you were being held up by a string and your head is just floating here in space, balanced just on top of the vertebrae, stacked one on top of the next. And allow your shoulders to be soft here. Maybe you want to do a couple shoulder rolls forward and a couple back. And let them come to rest down. Your chin is parallel to the floor. As we relax the muscles of the face, you might want to stretch your face. Maybe open the jaw wide. Make any stretches here, scrunch up the face. And then come to relaxation. And for some people, it might be more comfortable here to just take a soft gaze or to gaze down towards your lap. Or you can come to closed eyes. And feel the weight of your body where it's touching the chair or the floor if you're sitting on the floor. Really allow yourself to feel the full weight of your body being held here by gravity, connected to the earth, and sensing from this point of the tailbone, your root chakra, this line of energy that travels down your legs, into your feet, and then even through your feet into the floor. Maybe imagining like you're a tree with roots growing out of the bottom of your feet. Imagine those roots traveling down into the earth, all the way down into the center of the earth. Finding relaxation through your legs, feet, and toes. And allow softness in your belly. Sometimes we're holding tension in the belly without even realizing it. So take in a big breath that expands the low belly. And when you exhale, consciously soften the belly. And do that again, another big breath in, belly expands. Release, belly softens. One more filling. See if you can let go even more on the exhale. Relaxing through your chest, your shoulders. Allow this beautiful energy of your heart to flow all the way through your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands and fingertips. Everything relaxed. bringing softness to your neck and throat. Allow the muscles of the face to soften. And the forehead and the temples. See if you can even sense the brain becoming softer. And the eyes are so relaxed, they melt like two little puddles of liquid peace. And the placement of the hands, do what feels comfortable for you here. The palms face up is more receptive, and palms face down for more grounding. You might like to bring the two sides of your body together by placing the hands at heart center, gently touching in prayer position. It can also be nice to place one hand on the heart and one hand on the belly to help you really stay in tune with yourself. And turn your full attention to your breath. You don't have to try to control it, just watch the breath as it naturally flows in and out on its own. Notice how just by paying attention to it, the breath automatically becomes slower and deeper. Maybe visualize like there's a balloon sitting at your low belly that's very gently expanding and releasing as you breathe. And let's consciously slow down to a count of 3. Begin by releasing the breath completely. And then invite in a long, slow inhale for 1, 2, 3, and release for 3, 2, 1. And again, big breath in for 1, 2, 3, and release for 3, 2, 1. Take in a few more like this, counting silently to yourself. And now drop the counting, but continue those long, slow breaths at the same pace. And see if you can let go any control of the breath. If you feel like you're forcing, trying to take a deep breath, let that go and allow yourself to surrender to the breath. The breath happens automatically, effortlessly. As if instead of you breathing the breath, you're allowing the breath to breathe you. The face is still soft. The jaw is released. And checking in that the belly is soft. With your full attention here on the breath, knowing that thoughts might come, you can watch them and allow them to just float on by. See if when these thoughts arrive, rather than labeling or having any judgment, you can just notice, oh, I'm having a thought, and keep returning to the breath again and again. Allow that returning to be soft and gentle. Having compassion for yourself in this practice. And take a scan of your body. Is there anywhere that feels like it could use more relaxation? Send your breath there on your inhales, and then on your exhale, consciously soften it. And do that again. Send your breath, allow it to expand anywhere that needs it. And as you exhale, more letting go. And for the last few moments here, I'll invite you, if you want to bring in a mantra, and this can be something in Sanskrit or it can be something in English. What is it that you're wanting to cultivate? Maybe try saying, I breathe in peace, and I breathe out surrender. I breathe in peace, and I breathe out surrender. Or whatever words resonate with you. Invite the breath to slowly deepen. Beginning to bring some small movements back into the body. Wiggling the toes, wiggling the fingers. Maybe drop the head from side to side, stretching the neck. And you can turn the head side to side. Do a couple gentle rolls here from the shoulder to the chest and over, just a little half circle here. When you're ready, very gently blink the eyes open, letting the light come in. And notice how just even in this short meditation, or even when you're out in the world, if you only have time to take a couple deep breaths, how the simple act of turning your attention to your breath can help to clear your mind, to find center and a place of inner peace at any time you need it throughout your day. The breath is always there for you. And sending blessings. The light in me sees and honors the light in you. Namaste.